Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have started with our new exercise, that is 4.10. Yes, and in that one problem we have completed and the second one I said you to try. Yes, so I hope everybody you have tried that problem. Yes, so if your problem you have tried, you just check. Now I will explain that problem and we will do that problem on the board. Now you can check your problem. Okay, so to do your today's exercise, you need your classwork and term book. That is compulsory, children. For Maths textbook, term book and classwork is compulsory. Okay? Why? Because we are doing story problems. Question you have to see in the term book. Yes, and the answers you have to write in the classwork. So both the books are required. Okay? But writing part we will do in the classwork. Okay? So both the books are required. So second problem you have tried, no? Once we will see that second problem also. See here, Ramu reads 341 pages of a book on the first day, 116 pages on the next day and 287 pages on the third day. Okay, how many pages are left to be read if there are 1753 pages in the book? So here Ramu, he read the book for 3 days. Okay, so first day he read some pages, second day he read some pages, third day he read some pages. So here you have to find totally how many pages he read and how many pages left to read also you have to find. So here two problems you have to do. One is addition you have to do and one is subtraction. Okay, so when you have like these two problems, your word problem will be little bit lengthy. Okay, so you have to write sentence for the addition also and for subtraction also. Okay, so now we'll start with the problem. So second one, solution. So here they are saying the count of the pages Ramu read, no? So we will start our sentence with the number of. Okay, so here number of pages Ramu read on first day. So here I am using the Roman number instead of writing the word. Why? Because if you write the word, place may not be sufficient. So I am using Roman number. Okay. So on first day, how many pages he read? He read 341. So when you are writing the sentence and when you are writing the number also, you need finger space, children. Finger space is required for each and every word, and for numbers also it is required. Okay. Now see second one. Number of, same sentence will be repeated. Why? Because he read for 3 days. Okay, so only the day will change but sentence will be same. So number of pages Ramu, instead of Ramu you can use he also or name also. Read on second day. First day, second day. So second day how many pages he read? Second day he read 116 pages he read. See here all the equals to should come in one line, all the numbers should come in one line. Okay, now third sentence, number of pages Ramu read on third day. Okay, so third day how many pages he read? He read 287 pages. Okay, so here you have to find total number of pages read by Ramu, no? So now you have to total, you have to find the total. So when you are finding the total, you have to do addition. Okay, you have to do addition. Total number of pages Ramu read. So total Ramu read. So here it is addition. So addition means The biggest number you can take in the mind and smallest number in the finger. And one more thing, here you have 3 set of numbers. So you should be more careful, more cautious when you are doing the addition. Okay. Now see here you have 1 plus 6 plus 7. Okay. So if it is like this, you should go in one order. Okay, if you have only 2 set of numbers, you can take the big number in the mind, the other number in the fingers, and you can finish off. But here you are having 3 set of numbers, so you should be more careful. If you want to take the bigger number and the smaller number in the counting, you should be careful and you should remember the leftover number also, and you can add here. So if you are having little any confusion, you should go from up or down. If you go from up or down in one order, you will not be confused. Okay, so here 7 I am taking in the mind, 6 I am taking in the fingers. 7 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so now you got here 13. By adding these two numbers, you got 13 now. So 13 plus 1 here. 13 plus 1 how much? 13 plus 1, it is 14. Okay, so if it is 14, 1 you have to carry up and 4 you have to write it down. Okay, now it is 14. Now see here, 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, so 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. Okay, so 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. 9 again 4 you have now. So take that 9 in the mind and 4 in the fingers. 9 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you how much you got? You got 13. 13 and carry also we have. So when for any number, if 1 is added, what will happen? You will get the next number of the big number. Okay, see like this. Now you got 13. Now you are adding 1 to that one. So what will happen? Whichever the big number is there, in that two numbers, big number is what? 13. So 1 is added means you will get the next number. Like this. Okay, so you should remember like this. The biggest next number you will get. So 14 again. So 1 up, 4 down. Okay, now 3 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so take 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. Again 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 you have now again. So 6 plus 1 it is 7. Okay, so total how many pages he read? 744 pages. Okay, now we got the total number of pages Ramu read. Now you have to find how many pages left for reading. Okay, so now you have to write total pages in the book. So total in the book, how many pages are there? Pages in the book. So total we have 1753 pages. 1753 pages we have. And number of pages read. Now he read the total pages. Number of pages read. How many pages he read? 744. 700 we are saying. See, 744 means from 100 place you have to write the number. 744. Okay, so now what you have to find? The leftover numbers you have to find, the leftover pages you have to find. So what you have to do? You have to do here subtraction. Whenever you are finding the leftover things, you have to do subtraction. Okay, so now you have to find number of pages left to be read. Okay, now you have to find how many pages are left. Okay, see now 3, 4. Now 3 minus 4. I said when you are doing subtraction, always your first number should be the bigger one. If it is not bigger, you have to take borrow from the before number. So when you are taking borrow, whatever the number you have here, from there You will take 1 means the number whatever you are cutting here, before that number you will come here. Then 1 will come here and whatever the number you have here. Next you have here 13 and 4. So down next number we will start now. 4 after next number 5. So we will start our counting at 5 and we will stop at 13. Okay. So we will start at 5 and we will stop at 13. And then we will see how many fingers are there and we will count. Okay. So we will start our counting at 5 now and we will stop at 13. Now see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See now how many fingers you can see. Here for this hand 5 fingers are there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers? 9 fingers. So write 9 here. Now you see here 4 minus 4. From one number if you are subtracting the same number, 4 minus 4. If you are subtracting the same number, you will get 0 as your answer. Yes. See now here also 7 minus 7. Here also same, subtracting same number from the number. So again you will get 0. Okay. And under this one see you don't have any number. So we will take that number direct. 1. So now how many pages left? How many pages left? 1009 pages. Okay. So therefore 1009 pages are left to be read. So total these many pages are left to be read. Okay. So by this we have completed our second problem. Now we will move on to the third one. I hope you have understood this one. You can copy down in your classbook also. Now we will start with the third one. So take out your textbook and see the question. So here in a drawing competition 7,725 students participated. Out of these 2,349 were from class 2, 2,783 from class 3 and the rest were from class 4. Find the number of students who participated from class 4. So this is also, this third one is also like this only, like second one only, means you have to find the addition and you have to find the subtraction also. So what you have to find here in a school, they have conducted drawing competition for second class and third class and fourth class children. So here they have given second class and third class total who are participated. You have to find the fourth class children. So how you have to find second class and third class? Both you have to add, and that one if you take out from the total, then you will get the fourth class children. Okay. So now third one. Third one. So here you have to find, first you have to add second class children and third class children. So number of students participated from class 2. So from class 2 how many children participated? From second class 2,349 students participated. Then third class, number of students participated from class 3. So from class 3 how many students are participated? 2,783 members. Okay. So by adding this one and removing from the other class, other total, then you will get the fourth class children. So here total students, so you have to do addition of total students plus 2 and 3. Okay. Now you have to do addition. Okay, see here. 9 plus 3. So take 9 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so what you got? 12. So 1 you carry up, 2 write down. Now 8 plus 4. So 8 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1 you have no. So 12 plus 1 it is 13. So 1 up and 3 down. Next 7 plus 3. Take 7 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 1 again it is 11. So 1 up and 1 down. Next 2 plus 2. 2 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 1 again it is 5. So total how many students participated from class 2 and 3? 5,132 members. Now this one you have to remove from the total. Total students participated. So totally how many? Total students are 7,725. Okay. Now number of students. From class 2 and 3. Now you have to take this number. What you got here? 5,132. Now you have to do the subtraction. Then we will get the fourth class number. So number of students participated from class 4. Okay, so now you have to do subtraction. Now you have here 5 and 2. So first number is bigger one. So we will start our counting from down next number. So down next number is what? It is 3. So we will start our counting at 3 and we will stop at 5. Okay. So now we will start 3, 4 and 5. So how many fingers you can see? 1, 2, 3. How many fingers? 3 fingers. Okay. Now 2 and 3. 2 is smaller one, so you have to borrow from the before number. So when we cut the number, we will get here before number of this. So 7 before we got here 6, then 1 and 2. So here 12 and 3. So 3 after which number again? 3 after 4. So we will start at 4 and we will stop at 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many? 9 fingers here. So write 9 here 6 and 1. So 1 after 2. So start at 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many fingers? 5 fingers here. Now here 7 and 5. So after 5, 6. So start at 6 and stop at 7. 6, 7. How many fingers? 2 fingers. So how many students participated from class 4? 2,593. So write the conclusion right. 2,593 students participated from class 4. Okay. So this is about your third one. So as these problems are lengthy, you are having addition and subtraction. So we have completed second problem and third problem. So do your fourth problem as homework. So exercise number 4.10. Fourth one you do as homework. See that fourth one is also like your second one and third one. Try to do fourth one as your homework. Okay. So I will meet you in the next class. Thanks.